Stop. Stop it. What are you doing? No, I don't have to get up. I know I said I would make breakfast, but it's bright out and I'm tired. No. Stop, please. Yes, I'm covering up. Because there is no way the sun is supposed to have risen already. I'm sorry, I think something's broken in the universe. There's no way. This is awful. It's too bright. Stop poking me. Brat. Come on. You know, if I did this to you, you'd, kick my ass. Oh, you so would. You so would. If you were tired and I was poking you, you'd beat my ass. No, not in a good way. You fucking pervert. I know I'm swearing a lot. I'm tired. And now the bird is awake. So bravo to you. Please. I just want to sleep. What the hell? Oh, my pillow. Oh, I think you drooled on it. And the bird is having a conniption. Come on. Between you and the birds, I'm never gonna get back to sleep. Why are they so loud? Oh, baby, please, just let me sleep a little bit more. Because I barely slept. We were up late. Well, I know that was kind of my fault, but it's not entirely my fault. You're so damn cute. Shut up. Come on, please. Please. Oh my god. Why do we have birds? Birds are the worst pets in the entire world. They're fucking awful. What's worse than a bird? A bird with a bell. Shut up. I'm tired. I don't have to be clever. That's going to be my excuse. Well, if you would stop talking, they might quiet down a little bit. No, I don't want to do this right now. What the hell is the bird doing? Oh my god. Pretty bird. He's looking in the mirror and smacking his beak against it and being all vain and self-obsessed. He's kind of like you. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Not in the mood for jokes. Well, now you know how it feels. Brat. Please, can I cuddle up in your chest and just close my eyes and sleep a little bit longer? I promise to make you the best breakfast in the world. Alright? Please. Your chest is so comfy. And your cuddles are the best. Please. Please. I swear to God that I'll make breakfast as soon as I wake up. If you let me lay my head on your chest and you stroke my hair while I fall asleep. Is it a deal? Awesome. I knew there was a reason I kept you around. I love you too. Yeah, I'll see you in like an hour or something. Thank you, darling.